Welcome back to Gut Health series. Today, we're visiting the fiber factory, the engine that keeps everything running smoothly. Fiber is like the fuel for your gut city. It helps move things along the digestive highway and keeps everything functioning efficiently. The prebiotic playground is a vital training ground for our good gut bacteria, the probiotic protectors. Who are probiotics? Prebiotics are like the healthy snacks and exercise routines for your gut heroes. They help them grow strong and keep them fueled to fight off bad guys and maintain a healthy gut balance. Without enough fiber, constipation and other digestive issues can arise. See Part 1 of Gut Health series, that how digestive distress occurs. Here are some fiber-rich heroes to add to your grocery list. Fruits and vegetables. Again, these superstars provide both prebiotics and fiber. Think berries, bananas, and asparagus. Whole grains. The complex carbohydrates in whole grains are a fantastic source of fiber. Oats, brown rice, and quinoa are packed with prebiotics. Nuts and seeds. These tiny powerhouses are packed with fiber and healthy fats. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are gut-friendly superstars. By incorporating fiber-rich foods into your diet, you're providing the fuel your gut city needs to stay healthy and strong. We'll discuss the skin problems in the next part of Gut Health series, so stay tuned.